to this again. So today, as you can see in the VM name, it's called Windows 2000 Speedrun, because I'm going to be installing Windows 2000 as fast as possible. And I have a timer up here, so the moment the actual VM window appears, we are going to start timer. Start. Okay. Come on, go faster, faster, faster. It's going to be a short video, by the way. I need to get a video out. Oh, yes. Let's slow me down. Okay, we're formatting. Well, it's copying files now. Okay, the VM's rebooting. We're starting Windows. Nice. Within about 2 minutes. Yeah, about to be 2 minutes. So now it's starting Windows 2000. Come on. Oh no, it has to do this setup now. This is longer. Okay, I guess installing the devices. 2 minutes, 26 seconds. Alright. So we're in the regional settings. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna have to delete this part as I take the hotkey. Sure, I'll delete it. Now we're talking. Oh, shoot. Okay, now we're reset. The moment this gets to the desktop, we press pause. Mm. Okay. Okay. Oh. Uh. Oh, okay, pause. Okay, we did it in 9:20.86 seconds. Well, yeah, we did it.
This is an example of the most terrible editing ever done. I can't, it's just not good. It's because I don't have time and I need just a tiny extras video. So sorry if everyone hated it. Okay? Bye. Oh, and guys, there's no video next week.